What's up, largemouth lunkin? I'm out here to try it again today. This time I'm gonna try something a little bit different. I've been hearing about the red lipless crankbait and how that's supposed to be a real good pre-spawn spring type lure. So I'm gonna be testing that out today. Just got here and the wind kicked up a lot. Check out this water. So we're gonna spend some time and see what we can do. Let's go. All right, so we're going with the red lipless cotton Cordell. Let's see what we can do out here. Yeah, super windy. Getting hooked. These leaves over here. Oh yeah. All right. And here we go. That's a nice one right there. And I gotta get these out. Alright. Alright. So here we go. Nice one here. Let's get another good look at her here. Beautiful. Alright. Let's get her back in. Let's do a cast out this way. How that happened, just like that. Super windy. Man, those things never last me more than a day. What's up, guys? That's all for today. Too windy out here. I've been trying to cast. I've been getting more than my usual number of bird's nests. Lost my red rattle trap that I caught the big one on that you seen earlier in the video. So I think for today we're gonna go ahead and pack it in, because it's just going out there. At one point there was white caps, but I did get out there, get to try something new. I seen a guy catch a bass earlier on a red rattle trap. I've always had one. never really had much success. Got out here today within a couple casts that I could get out there. I caught a nice one. So I'm going to get another rattle trap when it calms down, and I'm going to get at it again. Thanks for watching Largemouth Lunkin'.